This is part 4, I think. By the way, he's just leaning against this, so those are the animals, because he's leaning against that because he has trouble standing. Goldie, come here real quick. I'll be right back, Mom. Behave yourself. Obviously, what am I supposed to do? Run away? Yeah, actually. Yep, I'm here. What if we run? Again, no way. Fine. I'll go ask them. They're gonna say no. We already got in big trouble last time. We don't want to be put in that pen over there. Hey guys, come on. Who, us? Yeah, us? No, duh, come on. Who else am I talking to? Them? Your dad and your dads? Yeah, that's true. You probably would be talking to them. It was good. You're gonna come hunting with me. Again? Yeah, again. Oop. Obviously. Why would it be hunting again? Wait, Max. Hey, do you want to come hunting? Isn't that dangerous? Yeah, but who cares? He's the strongest one. Fine. Dad, I'll be back soon. I'm just gonna go by the water creek area. Alright, don't get lost. It's not that far. Oh my god, he's in on it. So what, is it just us? Yeah, you're the leader. Okay then. Come on, let's go. Okay. Come on, you guys are kind of a little slow. Hey, we're littler than you. Yeah, you're like 10. 9, actually. That doesn't matter. You're the same age, practically, yeah. Just, come on, let's go. Can I take you to the big rock? Fine. Okay, come on, follow me. This is not the big rock. This is the little river thing we went to yesterday. Well, there's still some water in it, thankfully, or else that'd be sufferable. There'd be no water to drink. But the only water is over here, right there. So drink up if you want water before it's all gone. Don't worry, I'm sure we could find water later. Come on, let's just go to your rock or something. Well, actually, it's a different one. Oh, is it that one? Yeah. All right, well then, let's go. Come on, this way. How do you know? I'm smart. Okay. Wait up. You never know what could be there. My friends were calling me, so if it stops, I'll have to use CapCut, but I hope I don't have to use CapCut. Come on, let's go. Gosh, I hate this. Ew, there's a fly over there. Wait up for us. Yeah, just wait for us. How'd you get up here? Try to go this way. I did it. Now, I'm here. I'm gonna fall though. I need to get up there. Wait for me. Go this way too, since it's hard. Wait up. I need to get up too. That's not that hard. Ooh, it's bumpy up here. This is nice. The sun's super bright though. That's the point. Your shadow's long. What about your shadow? It's all the way to here. No, I think it's combining his. No, look at yours. That's really long. Mine's the same as his. Come on, let's go. Wait up, because I don't think we should go this far to the rocks. Who knows? It could be good and bad. Check coming in. Let's just go. You guys remember your way back, right? I know this place like the back of my hand. I've been here a lot. You mean everywhere around the whole property? Okay, let's just go. I trust you. Watch your paws. These twigs might be a little sharp in it. Yeah, right. You fell. So did you eventually. Let me get around the twigs too. You guys are so slow. Hurry up. Well, you have to wait for me too. Guys, it's just a dead end. I think we should turn back now. No, I want to go on that big rock. See how fun this is up here? Ew, I'm coming. Me too. Watch out, coming up. Okay, go around. I'm falling. Oh my gosh, this hurts. Calm down. It's not that bad. See? Wow, that does hurt. Except I'm the tallest. That's not fair. I didn't see that. Me too. Where's our room to fit? Heck. We'll find your own rock then. Come on, let's go. Wait, we need to stay together. No, we don't. They just tell us to stick together. Come on. Ew, what's in my paws? What the heck? Leo, no. I don't care. I need to find a taller rock. This isn't good, guys. Come on, you have to follow me. We need to go get Leo. Come down, he's stubborn. He's gonna slowly just come back because, yeah. You don't know him like I do, okay? I've met him I've seen him longer than you. No, you have not. I have too. We joined the pack with you, like, already in it, or whatever you want to say. All I'm saying is, I've known him longer. Now come on, we need to go get him. Ah! Ow, ow, ow. That hurt really bad. Oh my gosh, are you okay? I'm coming. That's a really long fall. Are you okay? I guess, but come on. I need to go back up here. This hurt. Come on. You need to come back up. Please, please, please. I'm coming. I'm here. See, that didn't take too long. You know what? I'm coming, guys. Just call Leo's name. Leo! What? See, he's not too far. Now just say that the rock is there. Like, for him. The rock is open. Do you want it or not? I can find a bigger rock. Never mind then. Come on. We have to go follow him now. Seriously, I want to stay here. It's so nice outside. I understand, but we have to get him. Now, come on. We have to go. Seriously, but my legs are tired already. Do you want to leave without him? Come on. We have to go now. Fine. I'm coming. I don't want to leave him. Ugh. Fine. Hurry, I see him. He didn't make it very far yet. Oh my god. Give us a second. We're a little slow at this. Yeah. Ow. Yeah. A lot of twigs. Why are you guys... You fell. Huh. It's hard to stand on this. I tripped on a stick, kind of. And I'm all over the place. Ow. That hurt. Where would be the biggest rock? They're over there. They're gonna get the biggest rock without me. Or without me, huh? They're gonna get the biggest rock and I'm not gonna have it anymore. He was just right here. Come on, he shouldn't be too far away. Wait up. You're faster than us. For real, though. Which sucks. Ow. My paw got stuck in between the crack. That really hurt. I just have to go really fast. Ow, what are you guys doing? Ow, that hurt. For real, though. Ew, the grass is actually green. If I go back, it's not green. What the heck? How does that work? I guess it just grows much better here. I have to run anyways. Where's the good rocks? There's literally no rocks. I'm gonna go to the rock. Come on, he has to be close. I guess, but it's taken forever. Come on, Bennett. Fine. Come on, we're almost back at camp. We have to get Goldie for help. What about the parents? Don't we need help from them too? No, dummy. Then they're gonna get us, bro. 3, 2, 1, go! That was hurtful. Hey, Goldie, follow us. I mean, where are you guys going? Back down to the river. As long as you're watching them and you're good, okay? Deal. Come on, you two. Where are we going? I'll tell you when we get to, kind of far away. Okay, why? Don't ask questions, just assume bad things, I guess. Why would you want to assume bad things? Okay, guys, what are you doing? I tripped on a leaf. There's no leaves right here. That doesn't matter. Be quiet. Okay, then. So, Goldie, we are trying to find Lou. Or, I meant Leo. Yeah, I guess you could get them confused. Yeah, let's go find him now. That's gonna take forever. The property's massive. He could be anywhere. Check the tall rock and tell that to its face. You're right. Well, not tall. You meant the rock? Yeah, the rock. Come on. I'm sure he's there. I'm positive he's there. I love the rock. Now, come on. Let's just go, okay? Let's stop talking. Let's just search. The rock. I don't even know what that means, but should be that way, I guess, since we entered the rocky area. Let's go. Ew. Bird poop on the rock? Seriously, overnight? Whatever. Nothing. Absolutely no tall rocks. There's a stump over there. Gotta go over there. Ooh, these rocks are kind of cool, though. Anyways, let's go. Are you kidding me? It's either he's somewhere else or we're too late. We're too late. Seriously? I guess. Ew, what is that? Ew, get around it. Go. Okay, fine. Here. Me too. I almost grabbed the poop. This hurts. Go around it, I guess. Because you're just going the other way. Yeah, just go that way. It hurt less. It does kind of hurt. Never mind. What were you gonna... Ow. What were you gonna say? That doesn't hurt, but it does. Exactly. We might need to ask an adult. No, we did get our cover blown. No, because they'll just think he ran away and then he's the only one getting in trouble. Ah, you're so smart. Yeah. So come on. Coming. Deal. Hey, leader. Where's Leo? He ran away when we were down at the lakeside. He what? He ran away? Sorry, yeah. It's not your fault, but he knows better. What was happening? There was this tall rock at the lakeside. Really? I've never seen a tall rock at the lakeside. Shush. Oh, my bad. It was like a tall stump thing. Oh, yeah, that one kind of near the lakeside. And basically, he, like, we went on it, and then, he wanted his own taller rock to go on. So he ran to find one. Great. Well, the leader can handle that. Did you hear that, leader? Yes, I did. I'll help. Wyatt. Okay. I'll help do stuff. What did your leader call? It's fine. I can find him. I'm sure my nose is better than all of your noses. I guess. Tell me if you find him, please. So you're not going to help? No. Why not? He deserves to be out there alone if he wants to. Just come on. Coming. Can we stay? Fine, unless you want to come. I'm staying with my mom. Okay, I'm coming. Me too, obviously. Well, this is the little pond that you said you went to, right? Correct. This isn't the lakeside, though. Well, it's close enough, right? I guess, but the lakeside is usually over that way. Yeah, I know. I just went to this one because it's closer, I guess you could say. It is kind of closer. Well, come on. Let's search around here. Which direction did he come? That way? Not at the tall rock, or whatever you want to call it. The rock. Yeah, the rock. Ah. It's dirty. No, it's dirty. It's outside. Now come on this way, because he must be this way. Ew, my paws. Sir, I don't think he'd be out here. There's nothing except for these little rocks. They're so tiny. Ooh, there's bricks over there. Well, it's some sort of bricks. This is still not at all as tall. Maybe I should just go back to that rock. Maybe I should. I'll decide in a little bit. For now, I should just rest here. Come on, I smell him. Yes, sir. You good? Just a little oopsies. Get in the floor. Coming. Oh, these rocks hurt. Yeah, I keep tripping. This hurts. Would you look at that? My smelling was correct. Let's go get him. You good, sir? These rocks just hurt. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. It just hurts. And the sword's so pinky. Understandable. Come on. Come in. Wait up for us. We're slow. Yeah, we're so slow. It's not funny anymore. Someone's about to be in trouble. Yeah. Leo. Ah! Oh my gosh, you scared me so bad. What are you doing? Ouch, first of all. Second of all, I'm trying to find a big rock. You're in trouble. Come on. Back you go. You're gonna be in the kennel place. Now, come on, you're so slow. Gee, that's harsh, first of all. And second of all, move. Do I really have to be right beside you? We're right here. Yes, you do. Plus, you were walking beside me the whole time, so it is necessary. Not technically. Stop. What the heck? It was just our neighbors taking out the trash or can or whatever. Dad, you were in trouble. Why? You ran? I didn't mean to run. I meant to, find a bigger rock than that. You're not getting away with this. Get in there. Come on, let's go. Where? Find places, duh. This is not a good idea. You're just gonna get in trouble. I'm not going with you guys right now. I'm gonna go to, over here. I'm staying. You could go if you want, but you're gonna get lost and in trouble and hurt and dead, probably. I'm not gonna get dead. Have you just learned from Leo? You were just saying how bad of an idea it is for Leo to go out and stuff. Stop talking. Well, then I'm going. Bye-bye. Good luck, by the way. And find yourself back before it's nighttime. And be careful. Deal. It's better than going out. It's always blah, blah, blah. Haven't you learned your lesson? Blah, 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 blah. I don't care. I'm going down here. And ouch, that one hurt. Literally, it's always blah, 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 blah. Literally, it's not my problem if I get in trouble. Well, it kind of is my problem, but who cares? Going to the quicker way to get in. First thing good, so I can get to the tallest rock fastest. Hey, the sun's bright, shining bright like a diamond. Anyways, come on, let's just go. Ow. Now I can finally just relax. Whoa, look down. That's so steep. What if I fall? Oh no, now I'm gonna fall, I swear to God. No, I need to get down real quick. I need someone with me. Jump. I can never get peace and quiet, except for this moment, right now, literally. There's 2 squirrels just playing with each other right now. Food. This is gonna taste so good. Or maybe I can order something for them. That's even better. My pack would love that. Hey. Oh my God. Please, please, don't do it. I'm not doing anything. All I need from you is a quest. And if you don't do it, you're gonna pass, sadly. Sadly, you're gonna make me pass. Ow! Almost fell. Don't come close to me now. I'm supposed to come close to you. You're too close. Well, do you want to know your quest so you don't pass? Of course, obviously. Okay, well, find me something to eat before I eat you. Make sure it's fit for 4 people. Okay, well, what am I supposed to do right now? To just go run. Run!